going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the G35. We finally got it back with the new motor. The motor seems like it's running pretty good. I did have it on the dyno, and with the plenum spacer, the intake, and the headers, it made 230 wheel and 219 torque. So today I got these Megan Testpipes and a Z1 single exit catback that I'm going to be installing. So hopefully we'll make a little bit more power with these installed. So I'm going to go ahead and get the car jacked up and start pulling these test pipes off, or the cats off, and we'll get these new test pipes installed and we'll start working on the exhaust. So with some of the videos I've kind of watched, people are taking the intake off and getting the, they call it the demon bolt, off from the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the intake and we'll see where that bolt is. So once you got the intake off, you can see the 3 bolts right there connecting the headers to the cat. So I'm just gonna take a couple long extensions and reach down from up here and see if I can unbolt those. And then for this side, you can kind of see them, but it's like a bunch of wiring right here, but they're right there. So I'm gonna try up top first. If I can't get them from up top, then I'll just go ahead and do them from the bottom. All right, so it's kind of a pain in the butt, but I ended up getting these bolts disconnected from the headers on both sides. So I was having issues with this O2 sensor, so I went ahead and just disconnected it, and I'll pull it off once I pull these completely out. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull the bolts from the Y pipe, and I think I'm gonna disconnect it there and then just pull the Y pipe and the cats out at one time, and then I'm gonna pull the back half out. Well, it is the next day. I got the exhaust out, but it got kind of dark on me, so I just kind of quit filming. I did have some issues with a couple of the hangers just from being old. They're kind of dry rotted. I ended up cutting this one off, and I cut this side too, but I threw that away already. But to get the O2 sensor out, I just disconnected it and then took it out once it was outside the car. So I am working on the Y pipe right now. I got to put that in, but I got part of the Y pipe bolted to the test pipe, and then I have one piece, the mid pipe, I have that already bolted or on the hanger. So once I get that bolted up, I'll put the muffler on and you guys will get to hear a sound clip. So I'm gonna get back to doing this. All right, guys, so I finally got the exhaust on. Everything is everything is on. It kind of, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna set it up and do the first cold start and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. The exhaust is extremely loud. It does sound okay. I'm gonna have to drive it a little bit, see if I get used to it. But the car is gonna go get dyno tuned, hopefully within the next week or so. So stick around for that video. If you guys like the video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.